not gonna be happy. Yeah, they've got like these two giant. I'm thinking that these two like large pieces here are to have more battery power, but I don't know. These are some really bulky headphones. Whenever these headphones right here, these things can last for like, I don't know, 8 hours. These giant things better be able to last for at least fucking 10. They're advertised at 11, but that's ridiculous. It's the manager's fault. Let me speak to the manager around here. Yeah, I didn't realize that those are going to have those giant pieces on the side either. They do a good job of not showing that in the pictures, I think. Or maybe just not understanding the scale. 24 hours at least. At least Outback. It's ridiculous. But yeah, they just, well, and to be fair, I just got them today, so maybe they didn't have a full charge. And I'm just judging them a little too early, but yeah. They better last a little more than 3 hours. All right. Let's see. What's a command? Friday? All right. We're here. All right. So let's take a look here at what we're dealing with. We've got a cherry and walnut box. I'm having weird feelings about these boxes, guys. I don't know. I've got like zero confidence in these boxes right now. I don't know why that is. I don't know if I've just had a few too many little oopsies on them or what, but I'm not like overly joyed by these. How do we improve that? That edge right here looks like super not straight. They'll be fine. They'll be fine. Look, Charmed is even doing it now. Charmed has learned the ways. I don't know. There's just a lot of little things on them that are bothering me. Like all those